In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download location in Firefox. If you'd like Mozilla Firefox to save your files to a different folder, you can easily change the default save location through the browser's settings. This is a great way to keep your files organized, especially if you prefer storing them on another drive or in a dedicated folder. Firefox also gives you the option to choose a different location each time you save a file, providing even more flexibility. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process. To get started, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox has opened, click the application menu in the upper right corner of the window. This menu is represented by three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open the browser's settings page. Inside the settings page, remain on the General section and scroll down until you reach the Files and Applications category. This section contains several options related to how Firefox handles files, including where they're saved. Under the Download section, you'll see the option labeled Save Files To. Next to it, Firefox displays the folder that's currently being used as the default location for saved files. If you want to change that location, click the Browse button. A folder selection window will appear, allowing you to choose a new location on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you'd like Firefox to save files in the future. Once you've selected the folder you want to use, click the Select Folder button to confirm your choice. Firefox will immediately update the setting, and you'll notice that the new folder path is now displayed next to the Save Files To option. In addition to choosing a default folder, Firefox also provides another useful option. If you prefer deciding where each file should be saved, instead of always using the same folder, enable the setting that asks you where to save files every time. With this option turned on, Firefox will display a folder selection window whenever you save a file, allowing you to choose a different location whenever needed. This can be especially helpful if you regularly organize different types of files into separate folders instead of keeping everything in a single location. Whether you choose a permanent folder or enable the prompt each time, Firefox makes it easy to customize the way your files are managed. Once you've finished making your changes, simply close the Settings tab. Your new preferences are saved automatically, so there's no need to restart Firefox or manually save the configuration. That's all there is to it. Changing the default file save location in Firefox only takes a few moments and makes it much easier to keep your files organized exactly the way you want. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,